Oh boy, this girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here?
Yeah.
I don't care about it, I don't get it done in there, you see me?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Alright. Yo, deal with it now.
Yeah. Deal with it, man.
Just relax yourself, no, man. I done kill all things already. You need to fuss up yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and I'm just a commanders. Buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something, so I think about them things, you see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party, I need a support, I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never fall. But if you ain't charge me 80,000, order dollar.
So far, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
So far, man, no one do on us. Are you me come check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. Then I come, come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I got in my book. And kind of get a look at one piece, you know. I just feel emotional, love it, be, but
Yo, Papa.
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Why do something for me? Can you do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, now you give her this for me, here. Give her this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see baby. I will give it.
Your mom up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bullying the shop. She ain't give you a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you, can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. Make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see ya right later send go by ya. I mean, never see girl make an attempt to come contact you and you know to say girl you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there, so. Down there, so. Come up here, so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me my paper, give me my paper, give me my paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's the two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come in. Give me $2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the $2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Mission to go deal with it no bad now.
No good for borrow. Not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa made them better look on. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know, the girl when you're bullish,
Yeah, if you don't go well, you right on this up.
yeah. And that's why they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl, nothing that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. No good for borrow.
I say, girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party, breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus you give me. Me I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. Me I go come pick you up and we go to a party. Me have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
Welcome people, pick up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. So, now we have no time. I'm a Negril. Now, an ample that's her name. I remember if an ample that's her name, but I'm there out by Firehouse place. So, this is I'm on the shoot of the start of a new movie. So, we are get some official BTS, behind the scenes video of Richard Brown Films. So what we are going to do is we are going to meet some of the actors because you know them have new actors now. See if we can find out the personality of these actors as opposed to one to sitting at the movie. And you know, see how everything come together. If they fight and cuss them one another, the whole coming together of the movie. I'm not certain what the movie name, but all I know is that they are beginning and they are starting a new movie today. And we get some behind the scenes, meet the actors, them, all that good stuff. But we don't know how Lara do it, not true? Now we get some nice visuals. But we call intro, me call B-roll. How do it? So guys, first person, me steal her from the cats. Come. Yeah, try to run. I have to move around to the crowd because as you know, seeing the B-roll video them come on. So introduce yourself, Miss Kelly.
Hi guys, my name is Kelani.
She don't know what happened to her right now, no? But anyhow, how does it feel? Tell her about a little movie acting thing.
Yes.
Come talk to her. Tell her what going on with the movie business, Richard Brown films. Tell her, talk to her. I know what going.
Good day everyone. My name is Kelani. I don't like giving out my last name, but my name is Kelani.
Chung body killing.
Well, my first time in Richard Brown films was the day when Akeem came to me and asked if I could be a part of it.
Oh yes, the blouse and skirt. I remember I used to see her when I get road there,
Yes.
so I see her come. I look at her now. Well, I never really look nobody. You know I like flirt and things, so yeah, I know I'm not even remember that. Anyways, continue a story that my friend.
And so I began to express my true inner self and get comfortable. And now we're having a lot of fun because we are having also a movie releasing with me. It's When Will You Stop Lying? Yeah. But my experience here has been wonderful. Sometimes, you know, we have our ups and downs, but
Her face might look like she's serious, guys, but she's not serious. I like that.
I am.
She not
But I love to
actually
laugh.
serious.
I love to laugh.
So, one more question before me let her go off of the video now is, what you see for yourself and Richard Brown films? Like, where you will see yourself? I see yourself a part of this team 5 years from now. You see growth 5 years from now and all of that?
I do because if we do the maths, how long have I been in this institution actually? But almost a year and a half.
Almost 1 year, not true?
Yes. And I'm still here.
Almost 1 year since me come here gate, come tell us, Ray.
Yes.
Rastafari. So guys, there you have it. As me say, I not plan the question, I not think more bunks me. So I'm done with it now, I can go and do it.
Thank you.
Hold on. You have no man?
Yes, I do. I have a boyfriend.
Alright, that one I taken, guys. So, I don't know about link up Richie on Instagram. I tell him to link up with no strong body girl.
When can link me up, man?
You know, just have man.
You know, my friend like that.
You see, you know that? Them girls are wicked, them wicked.
No, I don't mean that.
My name is Tori Shea, in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So, tell me a little bit about what going on there, as I say now.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So, I'm not gonna believe him, but she does not know who I am. She's clueless.
Yeah,
but actually,
I
come down here together. So, my name is Akeen. I'm a videographer, editor, all that good stuff. Not an actor like yourself.
Yeah, there's some
all of them
acting
good something.
still.
So, me I do acting?
I've seen it.
Which person me do acting?
I can't remember. I moved them in fact today and one landlord one time.
Guys, we're famous!
What go on in the movie, a real issue so I go on right now. I want to find a way to make it so creative. It did just grab me and I was like, whoa, never did expect this. So, at the end of that movie, I think Curious and Richard Brown there say, you know, say if you're interested in being a part of this, you can link me up.
So hold on, and Richard them did a link from before this then?
I know, today we
Oh, you mean you see it in the video where my son can... Oh, okay,
That's
so,
what happened.
okay.
So I say, alright, if that's the case, let me link him then and see how soon he would respond.
So...
I can't believe so I see him now, he didn't respond.
Yeah, I understand. So, how does it feel? Excited? Like,
man.
what are you looking forward to?
You see, I'm a media person. I studied media in school and from young I did always interested in entertainment and even some acting, right? But that passion did just kind of quell over the years. I just start up on the pursuit for the money and kind of did lose this passion in me. So right now...
I feel my audience, I say, like them want to look in at them eyes.
Yes, they all, yeah. So because audience, we wish my dad stand up in front of them right now. But yeah, this is just me getting back that passion because I can't act, you know. This possibly how you see me now, you probably can see one character, but I can go into some different characters. You just have to take a little more practice. So guys, nobody to judge me, but I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited. And whatever role me get, I'm gonna try my best to embody.
And just start it up,
It does make me excited. very excited. So I'm ready for start.
Alright, so 2 down guys, 2 persons then excited. Now hear how the link up going and passionate about acting. I look forward to it. New movie I start today. You gotta play for us.
Yeah.
You have no idea where I play today?
I have no idea at all.
No idea.
So whatever role I get, I'm just ready for it. Ready for it. Whether it is some ghetto girl, whether it is some gangster, or whether it's some...
You know, I think a gangster thing would I work with her still.
Because that's me naturally.
Yeah, you look like a gangster thing would I work with her.
We can do the female walk to and put on heels. I like that. I like that. We can.
Your crosses.
I want to play.
No man, they don't show you a fan work. Yeah man, sorry. That funny I have to get you to help.
And that's around there to help.
And that, I just that tell them saying probably have to help out the fun, you know?
Oh, it's soon build up plan.
You look like you can catch him, man.
Somebody have to build up, you know?
And then that they tell us, and they say you have to patiently wait.
No, you have to stay. That's why they need help. It's special. What?
I don't understand how the whole one just come in and shine videos, you know?
We have water, and that's how it is.
We're
that's how
invaders.
Around
Jamaican
nations,
invaders.
and we buy it.
Me ask so what them versus something.
Yeah, look at that. I don't know. And then people there deal with the
My paparazzi live in a house, you know? I'm a star, you know, so paparazzi have to live in a house, you know, I think. So, Curious King,
say,
what go on in the kitchen now?
we have cut up some sweet potato. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Curious King that food, no? Real Rasta, with sweet potato and thing. Eat your grow you eat, no?
So you go, you know?
Yeah. So, people, we're in a Negril over which part the prostitutes are, or usually there. I know this because of my previous occupation. So, I will talk to Richard Brown and find out what they might do. Yeah, so, yeah.
The wet man. The wet, like really wet. If you walk from this, so most likely you wouldn't. Alright, yo, come by the side because you don't look better for the camera if you just walk straight and sit right there. So. Right, so wipe it off.
So, what you say happened out there, say now, Mr. Brown?
Alright, so we developed this story, so we have to get some nice cutaways, and it's always good to change the scenery. So we just kind of use up a beach park to kind of help tell the story. You see me?
And what story is that for all the people who are clueless, I know?
We have a big discussion. Don't go too far, right there, son. We do have a big discussion in regards to relationship and abuse. So what we are trying to tell the story from 2 angles. From the male perspective of being abused and from the female perspective. So we just kind of tell a story from this, and then we just get to the end result.
Alright, so this is a part of you getting all of that storyline together?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so ready? So don't talk, do it, right? Hold it right there, hold it. I already know. Alright, I'll go next one. Alright. Alright, so basically.
Look at the movie stars. Tori, Shan, director Mr. Brown over there, so. And Mr. Alton. Just a while ago have one lady I try to sell him some. Alton, how that go a while ago? That woman did I try to sell us something a while ago?
Yeah, broad daylight, brother.
How I price? How much you say?
Run out her house and look like she get cut out. Whatever happened to her and she gone a doctor. So you know hear that now, so you not get your friend phone. You're gone over there if you're going look for your friend, if you're nothing wrong with her, you're going to see somebody say you realize that there's a blood pan your gum and whatever. So you get angry now and start or you like you want to fight him. And then you know end up in a sexual thing. Same time now but when I have work, when I work with the time would have to be John like it happened before. So by the time you will go over there, she would have come look for you. You understand? So while you gotta look for she now, she'll look for you. So you could have be cross the platform. So after she get dressed up or whatever for boy or whatever, kind of nothing big, you understand? So you kind of say, no man, I just pan her finger to get her cut pan serious.
Say that so she should have come back and look for me and buck up in you.
Yeah, she actually have buck up on me.
So yes people, them just gone them do them little deliberation as to how them get that part of the movie together. So when you hear what Mr. Brown said earlier, it have to do with abuse and relationship from both male and female perspective. So what time is it now? 10:40 and I'm still up discuss movie. So I joined in like a piece of the editing earlier, and yeah, we are follow the Richard Brown films thing, guys. So look like there is more to it than we actually expect, because I think people would have sleep at them hours. Someone are dead curious.
Man, you breathe small, bad boy. I don't want to run marathon when the body asleep to bug. You understand it?
Like say asleep, people come off asleep, and asleep people come off asleep in a bus. At work, people come off work. Wake up now.
They can do a movie in 2 days and done before the movie.
You want to try to set on record?
But look, everybody asleep. I must look at everybody asleep. Who can sleep the fastest in that?
Works the lag one. We'll get some more visuals. You're gonna take a very sad joke now. How much finger is it? Bunny ears. She tired, guys. How your body feel?
Hello.
You know, physically, how you feel?
Physically, mellow.
Mellow?
Mellow.
You know what mellow mean?
What mellow?
What mellow mean? What mellow feel like?
Little heavy.
Heavy?
A little heavy. But a good one.
So, alright, you remember what I talked about earlier? Alright, so you have a better idea of the role we are playing now?
Yes, oh my. I'm playing one of them roles there where people please not hate me or judge me for this first role, but I'm playing an abusive
I think enough
character.
women are gonna side with you. I don't think them are gonna dislike you. I think I like them are gonna like you. Jamaican people weird, you know. You understand? It's when a man do the abusing, which me condemn 100%. When the woman do the beating, you know, it's like everybody support it. Anyhow, what the experience like so far?
Boy, one thing can say, these people work, but the experience is nice, man. Everything easy. We're part of we're part of the ideas, you know, the idea making, basically.
Yeah. Feel like family yet?
It gets in there, you know. We still get to know each other. We still work on the scenes, them, and working together so far has been good, man. It has been. Me not really too know much about the abusive role, but they've been helping me and assist me in a day. Oh, it just
I fun I want to help guys.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion though, she embodied that character that good. Thumbs up. When I see it in the movie.
Well.
morning. It is day 2 of the shoot of that movie. Alright, the thing is, we can get a bit confusing. So I know I said they were starting a new movie, but throughout the course of everything, so this is the second day now. Second day. So during the course of everything, what I realized is that sometimes what the whole team does, the Richard Brown Films, the whole team, what they do is sometimes they'll be shooting a movie, right? And then they start another movie, right? No, probably because the resources that are needed to shoot probably a second movie, they are there, so they just use that resource or use those resources and start that movie. Understand? So like they'll have like 3-4 movies concurrently. So that is what I realized. Yeah, got some early shots this morning with Richard Brown. So yeah, I never expect it to be so much. But I think them just don't finish one movie and then, but like the man they not play with the thing, man. All 2-3 movies start shoot one time. Are you rested now, my boss?
Yeah, I'm rested, man. Up early and now, see if we can get some food. Pot a boil and just start edit and start shoot. So we're not playing now.
I'm not playing. We're not going with people. Hold on, hold on. So yes guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes.
I came prepared, just in case we get stuck.
Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So, over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm going to go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet. But everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
A honey did I feel?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the teeth, my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir, beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
You see? Yeah, me have a live cup. You want to cup? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So, how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thieving sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, say I love you a long time. Anyhow she breathe again, my teeth in there that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, my youth. Hi, miss.
Hi, guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as it.
Not as yet. You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine a junk, you know. See him, the people. A great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you're covered. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. Now understand how she down here chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah, why did you do that?
You cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage the live? Oh.
Just shoot the try keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people there in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people there, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up.
So you go pop it on. You can't feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down.
Money down,
Come on, settle down. Why this time when I phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want never hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John no star, why this
So them have other something like this over the side too?
Albo. 18 and
So they have 15, so 3 more up there, so. 3 more them the up there, so.
Our family, get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God pick name. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. She can't flick, guys. She can't flick. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them or something and say, you know, say happy then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look on her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So one next flicker that's in country.
Find it. Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for you.
Not on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. Yeah. So come now.
The minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? You never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing you?
Caroline, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, some I have family from Hartford.
Yeah,
But anyways, now waste no time. The sun now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, what do you think them question say about you? And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be
works.
able to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try and mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question. What is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know,
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So who do you think asks that question?
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who write the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
The question not bore anyone. Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality, but then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when they're in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look at them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over the number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex life.
Remember, I'm a virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
I want to come out Tyson. Come out Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who get things done.
Alright, cool. Good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a virgin.
Know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly females, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
yeah,
is.
weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
All right.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off, I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot. Right?
You sure?
You just said the time. Me have it on record now, say the time hot. My hot. My hot is not nervous. My hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
Whatever, what does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer sound like. I'd ask this question, but
will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
Guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
Nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, just
no, I'm saying it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
no, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
Alright, not to stray too much, but could you try to find one character and ask if
impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just then I think you kind of look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go boy yard. You won't believe what the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. We think that good. On a grade there in the comments. So 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years. Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. So you're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions, I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I don't
have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because
you don't want one man do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in
Do
one
it for
man,
me.
I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead, and
Well.
only Lord know him all the thing assets too. Me no want be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. Me I gotta tell you who asked this question. And I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? He never asked it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him says. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know
is.
that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody what you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly on the wall, that's all. Nobody where you see. So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you know, and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's the father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. I'm a judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but me I gotta expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, but guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I'm tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so.
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't. When I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question. I'm gonna expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really want to say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said for that. I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire me give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody.
Everybody. I have to make it a little bit challenging. Come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question, and what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is the everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question they say, oh, what is this about? And it brings that to mind and say, oh,
okay.
What is the goal? So like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would say, it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
but we can personalize that question. So probably that question I can be funny to.
Okay.
So everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal
aspirations.
Thing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
where I am now?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I must learn. Either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen.
Mm-hmm.
In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here now. So you're better in a position to put her now?
Exactly. It was very...
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are need see through ya. See who of them. So look on them. See them and them ask a question. Who of them?
I hope you not call me name for my question.
No, you don't get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So, I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you asked.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
So football, I want to play there. I'm there with for everybody.
Here's something to see why Jackson done that. If they call him,
I'm more Friday, so I call him. Watch your ball.
Jackson!
Hey, man, we are David. You know, see, Mark tell me, see, over here, so football, we are going to play, so come on.
You know, so I go ask my grandma first wait for me, so I come.
Yup, right there is where my patience ran out. So it's kind of difficult, guys. Like we control them and we prevent. Like that took me almost 20 minutes to shoot. That small clip there, 20 minutes. So yeah, my patience run out and I needed some help, but I never have any because never have any. So what I decided something I'm going to do now is just film some behind the scenes from Richard Brown films so you guys can be entertained by that. So yeah, I'm going to get to some BTS.
Where you come from?
Oh, in night town.
So you just go in night town and you tell me say you go in night town?
This weird me didn't tell us that me I go in night town. But I tell us that me I go in night town, you sure?
No? So you go in night town go do?
Me just go to buy something but me woke up in a one girl me know so me not better buy nothing.
So when you back?
Me don't know people things, they must say I go beach and so me don't know why I'm there.
Alright, I'm sorry about that again because of different relationship.
Jesus.
I'm sorry about that again. No, I'm sorry.
A girlfriend book up now. Girlfriend.
So when you back?
People things.
But no, you can't tell people things.
The girlfriend.
Oh yeah.
One of your girlfriend asks you for whatever.
Then I'm
Whatever. Come again, Alton, ask her again, ready. So when you back?
my girlfriend something in.
Just mine and you're not supposed to see, you know?
Me not care nobody know when I figure the company.
My God, so what that again, Alton? I'm feeling it. Ready now. Ready now. Don't know that one. Go back to your mind, whatever. Ready. Oh. Mine are things on if you come in here, you know?
No, sir, I won't care nothing for nobody coming in like that.
Oh, good. Alright, so we say about that. And then after you say you wouldn't care nothing for nobody, she needs to find one way to get him out of the house. So I'm going to tell him, say.
Get up and go sit down on the bed.
See if you get up and sit on the bed. And tell him so.
No, just move this and move out the room. So
I think I'll get him out. You want to get him out of the house?
I'll get him out, man.
Alright. You say that again here. So I'm not going to care nothing for nobody belong to nobody in the house. Alright, so let's say last part here, Alton. Ready? Yeah, you said to her, like that thing going on.
But,
Alright, just make sure.
Go on, Jiffy story, man. Make a story, but not like when stories are confirm and so nice and neat. Mama, come right here, so. Come talk to me right here, so. You can't come right here, say, no. You know that now move yet, you know. Come right, come to now. Like you just come, get you put in the bag.
Me done here, Richard.
Well, the house hot. You know what I mean?
Alright, ready, come before me get the motor hot and start.
Alright, make you just say the last part then.
And then get up.
Wait, it's a part. Just make sure.
Man, I can't house nothing. There's anything we feel now, anything we carry now, have work and turn in there.
Right.
That way.
Put back up ready. Alright, so that's Alton, ready? Just mind, you can't not supposed to come in there, you know.
What it can't nothing like that. Anybody like that coming here. Oh God.
Don't move, stay right there, son. Get your back and then walk over to this, son. Wait, sit first.
Come give me a massage, yeah.
Alright, ready. Don't move. That's something that we have played. Turn it down.
Tell him more.
All that play, turn it down.
More, I say, yo. She go tell him set you on, so.
Make sure go.
No, man, it's not so. So you sit down the same way and come around, so. And I think you want to give her a massage.
Alright, so Alton.
So why you massage, you know,
Pretend like you watch her.
we could have make some bam and contact you. You know, we think say that night.
So, you want to put your hand on me now?
No, I talk to her till I wait.
Where does you want to go? No, that come in. Where that come in?
But that's tough one, you understand? I'm not come to you, so I can't come here, so. Just come on here, so. And contact him for you, so like. Make it just seem like.
Alright, just go back right
Challenge.
there. Alton, start walk for instance, Alton, watch you all the way around.
But what everything you do, you want to chat to him about everything you do. You want him turn out, so you make him turn out to give him a massage, alright?
Wait, Alton, wait. Curve back your head. Start, come back for instance. Ready now, action. Action. The girl have Alton, oh girl have, tell me now, who girl have? No girl have.
No,
Go again.
you happy?
Yeah, no, come again. Watch her go and laugh. Come on.
Alton, stop.
Come on, let's laughing for come back.
Don't make me feel again.
Come back again.
God.
Ready now?
Stop it.
Ready now, action.
No slapping, nowhere like that.
Ready.
So, pop, why you want to fry it, yeah?
That's true.
Come now, ready now.
I can't write this, so you gotta wipe off.
Yeah, no, wipe off yourself. No, you take.
Go back right.
Come give a massage.
Go right, sir. Go back right, sir. So turn the face now. You wipe off yourself again and then tell him to come and give a massage. You need to ready. Hold on. And action.
Chuck, come and give a massage.
What that for?
Kind of pay me no mind.
Where that go? You want to top for no reason.
You not pay me no mind. You didn't start looking at your phone. Brogan,
Stop
stress me out. Stop stress me out.
Protect.
You make me feel go back
insurance
home.
with the
You
always get a broke shoulder now.
Come get into the shoulder, man.
Alright.
Anton, come.
Let me change the angle. Just walk over.
I'm in character, you know.
Just walk over to him and give him
But you come
massage.
and get the family mute for one.
Alright, come. Let me just start. That's the supposed to take so long.
Yeah.
And you still a character we have to see him for.
I'm
No,
not
listen,
giving
him not pay no mind. Just turn him back. Just hold him and twist him round.
Me go do it hard so me have to go still make him cry.
No matter, just stay in a character, don't come out. Alright, so just say the same thing again. Go back out and say the same thing. You want to start. Ready? Action, ready?
I'm just come and give a massage.
Nobody do it hot, you know.
No,
You
no,
put more
no.
on you. Oh, you want me to stand
Nah,
up
listen up.
for you come back and
Want to turn round, so it's
Turn
straight, so.
Turn round so.
No, you just turn him.
Turn it up. I'm going to put a foot up on it, man.
So if you turn this big house, you see him big?
So turn on, yeah, turn on.
Big house.
Can't see if it hold it. Alton, spin up no Alton.
Wait.
No, don't move. While she get till she come, then Alton, you turn yourself.
Move the phone, Vanderson.
So while she come, you just
You
turn while
can't
she
move them
turn.
while she tell them move. Just move them and say,
Right.
turn.
Alright, come. You just turn and listen.
And take that over shoulder, take that over
I
shoulder.
said a word.
Live up.
Come on, live up with you, man. Ready?
Live up now.
Come in, you say massage, boy.
Don't want it dead. Ready?
That me say me no like say the word, bro.
Ready now.
You can't say
Action.
it. Ready?
Alright. Chuck, come and give a massage.
Take time with my shoulder, you know. Take time, man. Take time. Right, that's all. Come now, man. Well, take so long. Go down more. Yeah.
You never hear what you sound like right now?
You can't. Come now. Take time. Alright, yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Hold on. Stay right this way. Everybody had putting it on.
Wait man, my white pause.
How many things you don't say it like that? We have to come back and tell him again first.
You know come back and tell me. Wow.
The first time.
You never tell me nothing the first time. I second time you tell me.
Then it's always by the ears. Whoever takes your life.
No, you never tell me nothing the first time. You never tell me nothing. So me want come here massage
It will work.
suck me up.
We are go.
We can't turn this on a little bit.
No, you can't turn on. Send him out. You go get up now.
What's
Come
on?
on,
Me hand.
go buy the meat and
Come back, massage him again.
This is the
yeah,
last
money
part.
to buy your meat.
No man, you have your money, man. Man.
Massage him.
Go buy your meat.
Buy some meat you want to cook.
Come, go back and massage him and tell him again.
Sit back here already said.
Oh, me heard this a while ago.
You did the pan the side there.
You back and me ready for you?
Ready, Anthony? Come ready.
Let me see.
Hey, yeah, make me massage this boy if you not need, you know. And Alton not pay me.
Oh man, one of the depend on the side.
Ready?
Yeah man, 2 depend on one side, 2 depend on one side. No matter, ready now me too. Ready now curious.
Take time, man. Come right this way, right this way. Yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook. Huh? You can go buy some meat for cook.
What kind of meat?
Chicken back anyone.
You don't want a chicken back, you know. Me go buy still. I'm tired for them chicken back.
I love chicken back.
It's too dear for you.
You just say that, yeah. Attention, wait just say whatever.
How much
you
more
love chicken back and then you might tell us
how much
your
more
chicken back. Dear, you know. You don't know.
$1.95.
Come back, almost
How much
chicken
tin
price.
mackerel?
How much tin mackerel? Tin mackerel cheaper? Tin mackerel cheaper?
105 for tin mackerel and 110.
Tin mackerel,
Yeah.
120 or 130.
But chicken mackerel cheaper.
Alright, come.
Ready now,
Alright,
run.
say the same thing. So you love chicken back and then Alton say chicken back. Dear, no, ready now, action.
I love chicken back.
Chicken back too dear, man.
Let's go buy.
$250 a pound to just bone in a shop. Yeah. Can't manage it.
Then buy mackerel then.
No, sir. Sufferation food.
Then go buy the chicken back and stop complaining. You go like you can't buy chicken.
Just no matter drink rum like I love rum.
Seriously, you would have come back and come see me turn over.
You know what you do when me come and say turn over.
Very things in lock the door. Just the candy.
Yeah, Mr. Yarm, get the bag.
What should give?
One phone and the bag, yeah.
Give me them. Give the phone.
What she say you must call her.
Alright, take back and do the same thing. Give me back. Just
the
access.
phone?
No, more access. Lock the door. Open back the door and lock the back. You can access. One give you area. Alright, ready now on action.
Yeah, just the candy.
Yeah, Mr. Yarm.
Lock the door. One give you.
One phone and one and the bag, yeah.
Give them. So she left her number and
Yeah, she say you must call her. Because she need to talk to you.
She okay right now?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Pretend like you're damn.
One day or something, you're moving, you there or something?
No. The phone is too popular in night though.
A whole phone?
You have a phone in night already?
Police will have it.
Police use the same phone.
Oh, check out the case.
Sorry.
No, take it like case. Take it like case.
Oh yeah, I want phone like few members I can. Oh, but yeah, the back over the part you say.
Check with that case.
But this I can't use. I said phone. No, people not see phone cheap.
Alright.
People not see phone like that.
Just hold up your phone. Just hold the phone big side. Just hold it more. Put your hand more. Cover up here.
Yeah.
Alright, ready now.
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, everything changed from the plan. So, what more you do? Get me a drive. Just get me a drive, right? But then, we're there now. With a Namprel. You know what I mean? Yeah, with a Namprel now, so. They're on the back road. Yeah, man, near to Shaka. Yeah, man. Very near to Shaka. Yeah, man, I read outside front side. Yeah, man. That's a back road, man. No, come up on the, but I come up on the next side of the road, though. I not come up on the front road there. There's a back road, I go through one yard, and I pick up on the back road. Yeah, so I come up on the garage, I go into the next part, the next road, you know? So I come up on the back road. So I can come people around there. Yeah. Today, yeah, just organize everybody, call one driver, one getaway driver. I go pick up when I'm bridging and I escape. The next week we have plan with in a workout. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to sell you out or something go down. But him not make it, so I told you alone upon the road. I share the plan, but you know you go. So every plan I do first, that's way. Yeah, I guess the girl tell her that already. Alright then, so yo, do it right now, you know. Because I can't tell you, so someone left out of them flipper place right now, and it's somebody come right now, so I don't have no time. I'm out tonight open. At least I get some change of clothes still, so that will good still. Alright. Yeah man, do it right now. And yeah, wait there. Alright. Make a link to one of my people them and make them wire some money. Just go to the channel part. Babylon can track it. Try make one link there. Make you set the girl up as I get $1 million. You know what I mean? Yeah, the one who come pick up the bag, but she get $1 million. Alright? Alright, cut me a cut. Alright, so yeah, just do it right now. Right now, I'm up on the back road and now I'm not stranded out there. Alright. Alright, them go sort you out. You hear?
Alright.
You need to get a better man though. Look one here. If I'm not killing this, I'm food up on. You know how you're fat, so.
Alright, walk here. No, sit like here, sit for me. This is your turn. Let's get some shot of you sitting down. Alright, so first you can go and talk about it.
Did you buy the condom?
No, just go on and fuck yours attack. Yours attack, just some little inserts, man.
Yeah man, so this that. And X, Y, Z. Yeah, so the girl, what they are, let's get $1 million. Yeah man. Let's carry $1 million come here because she will do the work and things. You know what I mean? So your mama, cut me and cut you know.
Alright. So we are going.
They won't pick me up. What may I say now? You buy a condom? Because that $1 million they see already now. $500,000 could have depend because long time in the front. What you say?
No man, I never buy condom. I never buy it. I never remember. I too many busy with.
You do your test regular?
Of course, but no man, go on man. We don't have to do none of them something.
You don't want $500,000?
No man, you can keep it half. We get one already.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going dead poor.
Mr. Brown. I don't get time I can get a chance now show. So just tell me, just give me one summary of the scene where you just showed out.
It's a movie, it's a comedy. Jailbreak, so just add all type of scenario in it. So this is just one part of the scenario. Come back for you, make it check.
And this one, the scenario is the jailer there in the man house and
I find one money, so one bag of mix up. You have to watch if you see what I'm going. Sit down back. Come back.
Oh my god, them down again.
So yeah, that has been some behind the scenes for you guys with Richard Brown Films. So as you can see, shooting non-stop. So the man them just find something what them like though and it pay them, so it's like non-stop working. So yeah, that was the behind the scenes for you. So all the persons who are asking about lengthening the short films that are on this channel and all of that can really be something difficult. So like, I not even can put one time on it or tell you when I get it completed. And let me just take this opportunity to thank you guys for supporting the whole movement on behalf of Richard Brown Films, because if I'm telling about them just get one of the cameras, Z5 I believe. So yeah, one step at a time. So yeah guys, BTS, that has been it. Thank you for tuning. First time over here, definitely subscribe people. Remember to leave a like on the video and I shall see you very soon. Remember to check out previous content as well. Little more. Morning beautiful people. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel yet again. So first day of the lockdown. I have one new member to talk to and I really new, but yeah, first day of the lockdown, but first everybody. I actually wake up before everybody. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a quick run through. Wake up, who no wake up. We'll go around the place and see what going on in the early morning. But as per usual, we don't know how we do it. We get some nice visuals and then we do what we do. I don't know what happened today apart from that is shooting. So as me tell you, we're gonna do some like investigation, find out little things them how they talk about in the last upload. So yes, so I have no specific plan, but we're just go ahead, use the basic sense them what God give you, and do investigation and find out when you come along the journey with we. It's nice. So make we do that. We get with nice visuals and then all of that good stuff. So yeah. The females are always the lazy ones. So they can't wake up. Wake up! What's that? Well, look for them. I woke up like this and I can't see truth now, guys. Oh, yeah. Yes. When if you wake up. You woman over there, sir.
Like him up all the while.
Exactly. Like him bleach all night. Let me see if I white.
So who look how long wake up?
Let me see if I white.
So I see him there. He just wake up still, but as he wake up, he end up on here and make sure say I can get some content as quick as possible. Me and edit off a knockout because you know what's everyone in there work, so when I mash him up, he ain't good, right? So how far are we there now, General? How far are we there now?
Well, we just in line out all the edits and then we just double check them. I think we're already.
Go get your booze and your coast for this in the past.
Why a problem with me pull over?
Yeah, wash it. You can smell it.
Can't smell it. Yo, that one and I have no manners. How you sleep last night?
Comfy.
Comfortable?
Just me and Kalani alone sleep.
We could have seen that in the video. You know, you no need for. So are you dressed like this, miss?
Me I run up in a full black. I style and pattern, you don't know that?
Me always say that this a chain. Why make you always wear? Make you not dash away.
No. This a chain I don't compare that I wash. It does every time I shoot something in this jam pull over.
If you're right, somebody ever hear then cuss out your blouse and
I know say some people may agree and wonder.
No, they know, just you don't know why I always have one. They want to know why I always have one?
How?
Like you notice me so, man.
I don't like it too much. I know, man. If I check.
You like one girl pull over.
Yeah.
Like one girl pull over.
Bad man.
I'm not really pre now because I say maybe just feel chilly.
Franzi. How you acting a go on? And guys, enough to worry when no girlfriend come here.
Stop telling them that because I like say, look, put it on me. Me and him then no business. My man know that.
But you're not my type either. You're not my type either. So come, miss. You have to show where you ganja though. Then I go take a serious if they say, come, talk to it.
Much time, but not easy, but you never take me serious. But not easy.
You know Jamaican people stay.
Oh, them stay.
You say we don't have weed in your hand, then say no.
So what happens?
I'm tired.
I weed a man in people, I say. I weed a day, I weed a man in people.
Yo, wipe off the camera.
Right,
so where for your split there?
I don't smoke. And I can't.
Where for your split there?
I don't smoke.
Come interview me.
Where your split there, editor? Don't smoke.
You know how I feel about that?
Talk to it.
And I smurf them.
Talk to you.
Trolls.
Hey people.
Trolls, they come up now, trolls ugly.
Love you.
Smurf better.
What else?
I'm a porridge.
I'm porridge today, I think you.
I'm porridge. I notice you hot for me, you know. You. Me and you now go agree. You.
You see anything on the use?
Wash your hands.
Don't talk, you know, brother.
Share up my porridge.
Come back home, cook on a dirty kitchen, you know, bad man. Alright.
So, Lana, Alton, you share porridge?
Oh, well, you see, Alton have plate with courage already.
Me and I go agree. You have to go left here. You have to go left here.
You say that's no problem. You might porridge bun.
Don't listen to me.
When I bun him with the porridge, bun him with it.
Don't listen to me, here.
very much. Here. Thank you. Excuse me.
Put sugar and milk in there if you want.
No, sweet too. My man already sweet, I'm sweet too.
Watch him too. Are you alone or somebody? Watch him. What for you, sir?
Yesterday relationship start, that's why she sounds so young.
She okay if the man will love normal girl.
Morning again. Yes, kind of weird. Kind of jump from the first day to the second day. But the thing is, really difficult to keep up with Richard Brown, Curious, all the actors and everything together. Really difficult, like to catch everything throughout the entire day. So what am I gonna do on the second day? Because you guys are supposed to be getting a movie today. Not 100% sure, but you guys are supposed to be getting a movie. A movie should be uploaded on the channel today, which is the second day of the lockdown. So yes, first day, as you guys have seen, you know, the waking up, all of that. And then the shooting started. We did some shooting over by the golf course. Richie did go live during the golf course session. What else happened yesterday? Basically just shooting everybody. Like even myself was, a part of it, shooting, run down bike and all them kind of something. They shoot from the back of the boxes. So it's just everybody I try put in them 2 cents to make the end product as entertaining as possible, and we are trying to do it as fast as possible. Get me? So yeah, so the second day of the lockdown. How lockdown I treat, I mean, we have fun, we're having fun here. So when I wake up before everybody this morning, couldn't manage to wake up before everybody, but guess who is still sleeping? So no, do the early morning scene, no. Nothing can have early morning scene today, no.
You try to when we sleep out of here, out of our face.
So I'm not gonna stay tired. No work hard yesterday?
If you're up and I'm gonna change the often.
Okay, so on the up and I'm gonna change the often. And I'm gonna left, no. But I'm not sorry for that one, I do. Figure.
Yeah, see, so me if you were with yam. You were with yam.
No, you're not know yourself, like, I'm doing business yourself.
But when the food cook your business.
Watch him.
I rocked it. Every morning, literally every morning him come in here with one camera. You know what I'm saying about the camera here now?
Second morning.
Alright, come on, come on, see like. Wait till you want to go. Drive short. Yeah, you just come here and say, babes, now we don't know all that small things, and then you have to twice. Alright, that's the thing, man. Which one, yeah, which one to say about? You say, no, say one right, or you call it, so. Say, alright, the thing, man, so far from the alright. Yeah.
Mr. Brown? Talk to me a little bit now. Tell what I'm going with the shooter.
Alright. Hey, go on, night. Sorry, stop that right there. So we are doing a little collab with face expression. You know, so yeah, you see the match of the movie and fast to cut go over so. Come from the second half when you shoot here. Papa, I don't like that room. Put the curtain, get some more light. Put the curtain. Alright. Who's on the NBC live?
Papa, where you get them pants from? Or joggers or what they call it?
Okay, I hear it off the plane, you know. Alright, Ronnie, step in that seat, you say. Right, step back. So as soon as she come in and start talking, you just turn off the fire so we can hear her.
Put out it. You know, put out the right.
Really not going, that's it. Alright, come back. Come back. Push on your head, miss focus. Alright. So do you see it? Here, running, but wait, make clean space to top. Here.
Okay.
Alright, I can go up on a turn and turn to show. I'm really not going.
Babe. Yeah, I'm soon come now. Go run at the supermarket, so I'll come back run at the supermarket.
What's the supermarket there?
You want to the right on the corner there, so?
Oh, alright, then pick up a minute.
Alright, make sure.
Yeah,
Alright.
come back, go on, you look at your face. And you can turn off the fire completely. No, wait, I don't want this one then. Come back here. Come back, and focus. You still talk to us here. You want the same thing? Turn on the fire again. Right now, we're going.
Babe.
Yeah.
I'm soon come now. Go run at the supermarket, so I'll come back. You want to the right on the corner there, so?
Right, so we tie it up with the secret of the car. I'm fine with you or something. Ready? Fine. So we just done one scene, now we are moving on to the next.
So what food then? I know you're not buying no food from man.
It's no motion food, man. Alright, work first.
Oh, you love food stuff.
Alright, we next thing first.
I love food stuff. You love food.
When I run up shot the man, ask him, say why? Why me not meet the family?
What's him to?
So talking. When me say no, do them things.
Like when they come up on smack.
No, just make it random. You can't put them back on the yeah, put them back on the
I'm changing clothes.
No, yeah. You're not shooting no scene that way about. You're not shooting no scene that way about.
No, that's when we're coming in.
You're not there, this is yeah, but since you do the step by step and the church.
Yeah.
And just do a conversation, man.
Okay.
Do a conversation without the shirt. The front shirt one side, one on the sheet. I am about a conversation. So before you get up and have my bed, you can say, yo, here what? So like, you get up before man and put on the makeup. So by the time you put on the makeup and the time you transfer to the bathroom, I will come to the two different things. So in that time you can say, oh, I don't mean your family from come up here. You know what I mean? You just come and this and this and this. Lower yourself, man. There's so many family, and family time, but we just want some time to be alone, you know what I mean? This that is a crucial place, and I'm not still because I'm not to really tell the story at the time. Alright, so we're going to do that, just do a conversation there. So we can bypass and some seed out and we help. But just do what that conversation in the room. It's the exercise.
Sure, say more hiding.
Yeah, my eye.
My hiding, you want, you know, say already.
I understood.
No. So basically, I don't want to have it.
Oh, okay. What is that bag? It's my friend from school days.
Tell him to subscribe.
Come here, come in the video, come. One video.
I don't want you to video me. No, sir. Behave yourself, man. Sure. Hello. No curse words. What is the matter with your son? Detention. No acting for a month. Oh, ratted. And look at people. Look here. The reason why I'm going to hold the camera, like from the viewfinder, so I get my perspective. So it's like my eyes. Yeah.
Come on over yourself, man. The family, I don't get even married. Them even come on.
Oh, you climb up on the bed, sir. Go on again. Alright.
Alright, so let me answer now. We're not no girl, right? No girl on the nearby. But a girl will take you already. Alright, we don't want that because that's going faster. But if you sleep there, the girlfriend. Yeah, you want somebody to be your girlfriend. So go and shoot in the meantime. Go and shoot in the meantime, all the time.
Alright, go on there, I mean.
So when you say something about family, I don't that.
No, I mean, there's a chat, don't feel like a chat.
No man, so Iman at this, just go on and shoot. You don't have to go and think about your heart. No, you don't have to shoot. You have to put on the makeup. Put on the makeup. Put on the makeup.
Sorry.
Yeah, put on the makeup. Yeah. Go on and shoot. I want to wake up early so many times. And you want to hear it. That's how come here I'm not going at the same time. You know what I mean?
Look forward when age like this.
Alright, so we want to make sense that it's in the morning. Alright, so you get up, it'll be like, you not stay all night with us and I come like, not early morning, because I'm in tired still, whatever the case may be.
Okay, I'm seeing half an hour and
so you ask him, why your work stays on the door? You know, like you're working in the back of the yard, you know. It's nice, you know, so early morning,
Well, on there. We're going to walk the troublemaker. You just always up on a tablet.
Yeah. You just always have the camera in my face.
Who always have camera in your face?
You.
I video myself, I know.
Come video me.
You know, I catch you in focus. Me not focus? Do I look clear?
Yeah.
Is me clear?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah people, St. Thomas with it. I know see the collaboration with Richard Brown Films and Expressions JA, popular YouTube channel. I know see them do them collaboration. So I know say, I want to stay tuned so I want to get that movie. So for your first time, subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video. Definitely subscribe to Richard Brown Films. RICHARDBROWN F or Films spell again. FILMS or Films. Yeah. Subscribe, like, all the good things. I never used that video a while ago. I made that video. I say, you can't behave yourself. Make yourself rude.
What did you say?
No, anything. Just don't wind up yourself and all them. So. No, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Shanira.
You have social media or something? Instagram? You have Instagram?
Shanake21.
You have a man?
No, I don't have a man. I'm single.
Alright, so when you hear that, people, go over to our Instagram, check her out, look her. See her full body there, pretty face. And if you like people ask why me, no look her, I'm celibate, people. Celibate. Yes. Yeah, I'm not engaged in a relationship and them something there. Mummer. I'm going back over here so I'm going to catch some behind the scenes. And I don't know acting.
No, I'm not doing acting. I do acting when you're sturdy. I'm not doing
Okay. So hopefully I get your man a while ago and some IG followers or whatnot. Bye.
Hey, don't post it.
What do you mean say don't post it?
Come here, baby. Baby.
What?
Baby.
No.
What's the one there that
No. They know say everybody know say I forget wrote about baby. What didn't you like? What she said? Yeah, don't have a man. When you have a man.
everything. Not an interview that wants to sit down and talk.
Nah, we can do that too. We can do that too. Hold on, come out of overexpose. Yeah, can't do that, but I still have post this. What in it where you don't want for sure? No, what in it where you don't want for sure? No, that not gonna work.
Please, no bother with that.
No. Unless me I go just cut out the part them with you. Alright, no problem. I'm not cut out none. No, I'm not cut out none. Go away. Great Fire as the same way. The place and name. I don't know, man. Alright, but we'll go back inside and see if we can get some more of the behind the scenes, man. Brown man, she bother you?
No, say not give me no problem, bro. I like her, but she don't like me, you know. No, why she have most a while for me.
She said she not have a boyfriend, so I don't know how can I go on.
No, really?
Sometimes I joke them I make. Sometimes I joke them I make. I don't know.
really believe them, you know.
Boy, me good in general, I'm not really engaged in a relationship thing, you know. I just love the camera, isn't it?
Right, yeah, man.
Yeah. Background is
That's what I started this one. I bring it for you.
General, you're not sitting down. You man, I want to. You know, good, I want to see. Then I come to the side.
You ain't up there.
I'm on it.
Normal.
That's what I'm there, shoot.
We're there in St. Thomas, Marant Bay.
No, I know I was in the room.
Oh. No, I said you know what?
Boy.
It's a normal situation, my boss.
All ton.
The lens on wipe off though.
I don't wipe off the lens. I use my lens, my phone, wipe off the lens.
So, so we're there in St. Thomas and we have face expression.
We know what I tell them already.
No, watch it. We are Aki.
Go down so, because I can't say this.
Aki Lawrence and St. Thomas and with face expression, with Richard, with John, Paradise Nation Entertainment. And this is
Where Richard Brown shirt there?
in a car.
Yo, detention. No acting for a month.
Push up.
That's how you get when you don't have on a Richard Brown film shirt. Yo, get up I will see God. Brown man still there up on his phone. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is my next day.
I'm not the you know. Cannot manage. I'm not the kind of condition and I
wouldn't mind.
Cannot deal with it. Can't get a break.
Yeah, bro, where say you're up? Say, please, I can go to my studio.
My God, this is my dream to have hands looking like this. With this piece of metal here.
Alright, go down there.
Really agree with you, man.
In-law.
Why? I want to be like him. Me want to be like him. Only. I don't want it to just boring, so. As it means just not just boring, so. You need something on it, man. So peeps, that is it for this one. As you see, Richard Brown Films, Expression JA. People are come together. Unity and strength, you see me? No bad vibes. They will do it like the overseas YouTubers, them will collaborate and grow each other. I make things happen. Everybody can live and happy and just enjoy that something with them life. So decide for this one. Leave a like on the video. If for your first time and you make it this far, definitely subscribe. Just click the subscribe button for me. And we soon in our next video very, very soon. Probably a movie, probably a next vlog. I don't know. Click the notification bell. Laraga. Hopefully, that's 15 minutes.
I thought you should make us there, so I will go to a macro. Wait, cool, wait. You like it? Sit there. Perfect. You want to shut them up, you want to
You don't like camera ever show your face somewhere and I watch him.
Listen.
What beer this inside? It's inside. A bit small.
So basically, you cannot tell her one story. You see? So
I can't sleep in it.
Right now,
weird.
I can't wear it and take one photo.
Shirt and
wake up in a water.
What you want? S2 said, she'll come home with me?
The one of them.
yeah, why you not camera? Yeah.
Maybe you don't have to tick like a moon.
I'm not supposed to one day I have to live back over and scratch. I have somebody else rent a place and go work. I understand. And do my thing. And do your thing for us. So most of my clothes are burn up in the night. Yeah. And they have a whole yard with everything there. It was burned down when I built back new house.
Papa. Papa.
I don't know him want to burn out at the bag of that.
Exactly. Welcome on my boss.
You man didn't say if you're single. That
well, I'm single, yes. I have none, you know.
My name cut off my neck. Shirt a bossy though.
I'm telling you, Papa.
Yeah.
Big up bully.
Canada too.
Canada.
Do one conversation in the car while I'm at get the camera. In the car? Yeah, in a film car. You're going to get one conversation.
So what other movie on that shoot?
What road movie that?
Big up, my brother.
Papa.
Muhammad!
Can't buy.
Papa, they can't chat here again, you know? They can't talk, but no stretch out next shot again and blur it now.
How well did that talk, man?
And skinny jeans and all these things. What kind of shoes is this now, General? Supreme. Yeah, when I always want to come in a man's spotlight. You know, use yourself, man. Yo, Papa, I hear a time for shining.
Yeah, time now for shine. I want a single man out there.
I want a single man.
Any age to 60.
No, you can't hear that. You can't hear that.
Although I'm 31 still, so I don't think
that. Yeah, 6. How old are you?
No, you don't know. You want to them for really
You want a single one?
Want a single man age.
You? You say you don't have no man. So me I give one boyfriend now. I mean, lift him up, yes. Hold on, Papa. What we see? What we see? What go on? Whoa! What? No.
I said, that Oogie mean?
Hello. You're not supposed to be entertained by these stuff. Go to your room. Go to your room.
Yes, sir.
So, Papa, you're good now? You're good now, Papa?
When the girl approach the bell and the police, them say, you come and see. We can't let you. Papa, you don't see shot girl. I said, Papa, I said, put it in the Papa.
What the fuck? I see where you shot here.
No, we can't pass a black one there. We are going to people to the man. He's a look inside the past 6 speed. I look him backside.
So you're good now, Papa? They get one girlfriend or no?
No, I'm not getting a girlfriend.
So she's on with shot here while I go. Taken by who?
She has
Papa hook like mango.
Ready now?
Well, I'm going to order some.
See that?
What's my name?
How much of a story I pick and fast? everything I done today.
I want to tell one of them shout your personality.
We run back up in a while ago.
I want to tell them shout your personality.
Come out with a bag.
I'm going to tell them
What will you make? Huh? Oh, like my tell me say, more book you back. No, I'm book if you get the time we want. But if not the part time.
One room and now there will be.
No, we want full money so they come to start. We can't have very soon, man. It's so easy. We're not paying full time now.
Yo. So now, when I rent a movie, when I rent a movie, so it's coming at the night and let you go to the so what if...
No, man, I said that.
That's how it work, that's how it work.
So what time is it supposed to book?
No, you're checking 3 o'clock.
How the experience, my boss, so far?
Good man, good.
You know, so when I do a real interview, you'd say, how you and Richard Brown link up, movie acting thing. Oh, shucks, don't have to do that because we catch everything on camera already. But anyway, how you experience it, my boss? From the beginning till now?
Well, you know.
I'm not talking since we drive come to St. Thomas, you know. I talk from the beginning, everything.
It's been a pleasure, you know what I mean? Because, you know, when you have quality, you know, quality is always better than quantity, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's a good vibes, and I appreciate the, you know, the respect and the love, and, you know, we do it.
Zaza.
You know what I mean?
Zaza.
So him I get what I get, and me I get what me I get, guys.
Alright, my boss. Papa, where is the acting the best thing you ever do in your life?
Well,
baking. Yo, man, I love him baking, you know. So I know, big up yourself still. Sir Brown, I say the best thing they be doing when he introduce her to the camera.
Before not does yet, but when as soon as you...
She's right. We give a lot of other people, extended people.
Oh, you're welcome.
Like, benefits from that.
Step out that scene, yeah. Step out that scene. Bye.
Alright, what more I'm do now? I'm whisper in your ears and tell you.
Give me a picture.
Malcolm.
So I cannot make
How much money you get? So well, I'm not
Leave that play that well, boss. So you tell between King with you and TV.
Yeah, I tell everything. One tell the story. So she go pull the one side. Get a call for your phone. Like,
I can get a text.
You receive a call.
I get a text.
And then I pull the one side and say, yo, everything go through.
Here. Yo, put it down one side.
I said to yo, everything go through, man. Put it in your pocket. No fair word, I'll come back to the game again. By the time that now, they would have come in. Just get it now and buy it like bam. So you see relevant.
So am I done?
Yeah. When I get the text, we just want a text. You want to get that text.
Yeah, one text come in, you text. I'm put it back in your pocket and pull it back to us.
And before that now, out they can make one move when I go. This is the same phone you use a while ago.
Nobody use the phone, we never see the phone there.
When you use a phone, man, we call me, which one you use?
We never see the phone there, we never see alternate phone.
That means.
Alright, make a move. Make a move. Alright. Hold on. Hold on, I'll time. I get that one shot of you run as well. Hold on, don't move it.
Don't move. You make it here. So go on. Action. Action. Watch it now. Come on. Give me a you get the call.
And you get the call now. So when we say action, and you just wait a couple seconds and then pick up the phone.
Yeah.
Right. You tell them. See that?
Boy, brain a be a thief, man.
Oh, me a thief. Action.
Be a thief, man, a thief. What kind of style that boy?
Sorry, boss. Sorry, I'm not team. It's just a game. Just a game. I see you're giving away the game, boss.
Me a fall. Don't move, you know.
Alright, come back. Because I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure you can look at that camera. Alright, just in case, get man. No, she ain't that. Just in case. No, you don't have to keep that game. Alright, but Spanner. Alright, let me tell you to know you're just pulling me around the car. And action. Alright, let me tell you to just step back and just walk up. Alright, step back. Action.
Big up yourself, Papa. That's what I think is Alton.
This is the part where we are done. We're there, so I'm going to play some draw for the done. But we're not really sure. We're just going to shoot. We're not really sure what the draw fair play. We're going to keep the game still. Maybe I need that on it, so we're just going to move 1-1.
Alright.
Security!
Man.
To me? Probably have to hire the security. Stand guard when time they are rolling. Stand guard.
Come on. So when she said to me, she said, yo, just take it. That's not it, just say that effective. So the jump and take it. So make it up to your back. Ready, action. Let's see how go on. Oh yeah. Come back again. Come away, actually. Oh, look away. Candy. Alton, what I see? Alright, come back and walk, come back. Alton, come back here. Come back here, I see. Alton. Yes. Come back, come play. So turn right to the top and then walk, come back here, I see. Tell them. I'm ready. Rocky, this look at there, so. This look at there, so. No. Rocky, what is that here? Sean. Whoa, this is way up there. Sean. Hey. Right, that's a good boy. We execute, I see you. Want them walking now. Want them walking here now.
I'm still walking, you know.
Different. You want to tell them what going on?
No, when they come in now, man, they say, what on? Subscribe! So when you come out of your mask, you know, kind of, grab some food and get Yeah,
Oh, so
come on,
that'll be execution.
we are grown, so you go say, yo, you want to know? Now look at things you do right now. Let me show you to know that.
Oh, so that can be feel take a scene.
Yeah.
Have a little girl for the link.
Yeah, man, we'll catch it for link.
Ready?
Then cook us up.
Yeah, you know, Juta. Juta. The food up. Paradise Nation Entertainment, Richard Brown Flames. Yeah, man. Expression, the most good.
Ready.
Alright.
Where's the water now?
No. Him have a contest, they want to pass it.
Ready now?
So the Rasta man, think easy. Think you blur not easy. Think you easy. People, remember, yeah, Akeem Lawrence are the voice behind the camera right now. Remember to subscribe, people. Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Jamie Wood, Akeem Lawrence, all of them. See boss over there, so big old director.
Go on, please. Juta, what are you for? No. Then me give a job for you, and I need job on the telephone. We're gonna sex up business on the pan. We're gonna tear up business and handcuff business on the pan idea.
You know, he said that's right now.
Ready? Candy, me give a job for you. Do me telephone.
Give me phone.
Ready? Alright, go and play all time. Go and play.
Give me phone.
And ready now, Juta.
Action.
Everybody have come that side.
Where's the water can I see?
No, everybody have come that side. Alright, what I see now? Come back. Candy, come behind everybody. Come behind. No, Candy, come behind the side. Ready now? Action.
Brown man. God. Alright, you pop up me and General. Yeah.
No, man, hold on. Are you a boss? So you know you talk to me calling on General. Like, you are a boss. You are a boss.
You want the whole of them I'm General?
No, man. You are General.
General, you're the boss.
You are the boss. Go back. Go back. Go back. Are you a boss?
Are you a boss?
Let me tell you, man.
Why are you a boss? No, man. Pinky.
What's my name?
Pinky.
Viral.
No, you call him like a stinger. Or a shooter.
Shooter or stinger.
Stinger.
Yeah.
Right. Now, Brown man is calling. Brown man. Him brown, but my stinger though. Why is the brown man is stinger?
You can't just say stinger, yeah. You know, next. Yeah, you have to done it. Yeah. No laugh neither.
Right.
Respect the killer them, you know.
Ready?
Ready now, do that.
Well, I know man. Yeah, D. Stinger. What do you say, bro?
Your voice big.
Big, your voice, man.
Yo, look at your little voice, my friend. Your voice big, you know where you are.
So me step on them, bro.
So if boss officer,
Step on them low. Well, I know.
Boss officer, ready now, action.
You see, I go on.
Must have some food we have to boss.
Code. Simple much, man.
Yo, I got my link Tamika for a ZML pharmacy and one now.
Wild bread. See, I want it. Part over the youth. Mama. Wow, road.
Alright, come back.
One time of vaccination.
Oh, you want to catch me? Vaccine, you want to step too.
Oh, they love vaccine.
Same thing. Step up and come back. Same thing. Yeah, same thing. Ready? And after take me back.
See a thing that thing pay out, you know, man. Yeah, the shooter. Stinger. What do you say I go on?
Must have some food we have to boss.
Code. Simple, man.
Come on, ready?
What do you say I go on?
Ready? Ready now, action.
Yeah, the shooter. Stinger. What do you say I go on? Code. Simple, man.
Yo, link Tamika for a ZML pharmacy.
Mama, forward. Road.
Right, come back, Alton. So wait just now. Brownie, sorry. Sandy. Come on, I'm seeing now. I'm seeing.
Yo, your links to me for around a CMM pharmacy and one Yo. Here.
One green.
Come back. We just get you off. No, let's see. Everybody, follow Clancy.
What do you have to say for yourself?
You love me?
I don't. I love my girlfriend. What? Come here, come hug me up. Hug me up. Hug me up. If you ram rough man, your skin too thin.
No talking. Alright, just walk in. Alright, no, action. Walk in. Alright, good, perfect. Alright, so we get this, we get that.
Alright, but then take more now.
No, we haven't done that actually.
What is that?
No, we just do any part now when them come back with you.
Alright, so we'll do our next location now.
But can you? Yeah.
You don't want location on lonely now, that you want a lonely road. You're like, you know, so stand up. Papa, come on, boy.
The farm, you know, come make him music. Farm, yeah? Right now, we're there one farm.
Yeah, for you. You take on shooter too. You take on shooter, you know.
See a man a shooter. You
know if you hold a gun? John wants to.
I'm scared, sir.
Hey!
Paparazzi.
Ready now, ready.
Give me money if you get that to them.
Where's he? Yes, sir, the Hanover. This is the way the fucking everybody meet. So Sinead there, Sinead the one end. Sinead the one end. Come on to the road. Sinead the one end and them the one end. You understand?
The police officers are here. Good day, officers. Get the mask. Let us get the mask.
But all of us coming together.
The right thing in proper perspective. Then we don't have to bungle what we say.
Actually.
So we should have together. Then we up there. That should be earned.
True, if I see them going after the rest of the
Overstand the general. But you want this pass and remove. But we have all we have this famous step. Yeah, but you have to talk.
Alright. Alright, tall man. Yeah, right thing you say. We will comply and deal with it.
Everybody figure out a prison, but no. Watch if them are selling more now. Him know, you know. Him know, say you already. I'm telling the police are in farm, if you watch all of them, you must know. Come on, Ty Road. I'm thinking. Right now, him just want to say something to you. That's all. If you never know, say no way. No,
don't say police know, sir.
Yes, I know.
You burn it down. You're fire, you're big. I know artists there in Jamaica. Rob there. Yeah.
Friends, you driver, that's the same.
I'm police and
driver,
yeah.
Friends, you driver.
No, I'm tattooing my look for that boy a scammer, you know. Take him on.
Yeah, because you never, if not, I know blood clot, first you know.
Hello.
Alright,
remember, we're always recording, so the expletives, please.
This is raw.
Alright, edit out it, club, whatever.
You are established a scene now, so watch
phone
out.
call, make a phone call. When I make a phone call, I say over there, yeah. So, you have you don't
Listen to man saying and man I stop talking.
Come on, I give them wait. Come on to Shorty in a movie, you look
More
at
understand what's
Shorty. Ready now, so you on you.
One shot.
One whole Shorty. Shorty, yeah.
Oh, we are catch her. Yeah, just see we
No,
catch
I'm
her.
catch her. It's a
Bonnie, we bumper.
Oh, handing over.
Ready? Alright, so go on now. Uno carry she come.
And come on over to.
Get back for no warrior.
Oh, ready.
It's a crossover. It's a crossover. There's a standoff, you know, that's why I wanted the pass them. You see, part like a pallet of four, that's what you want.
I said, yeah.
Got two stand up.
So what we do? Time and to park up with Alton first.
Yeah, take care.
Oh, I'm going to say,
time up.
You might take the police tie and tie on you. Take it done.
Say no look good.
Ready. Ready now, man. Alright, Alton get tied up.
Alton, come over here, sir. Alton, tie up here.
Tell the truth, that this no look good.
So Alton, change the shirt.
That's time.
No, man, I change the javan from when. I change the javan.
No, enough dirty, man. I look at clean people, they clean people, but if you're dirty.
They are drinking champagne.
So other carry I go, you might come out.
Yeah, no, this one catch a man, this one can have him.
I tell people
Oh, snake man have him, yeah.
Snake man, now.
So we are come from the
What's your
vaccine.
virgin there? Come on.
say vaccine too, man.
Come on.
We are come from the vaccine side.
Forward.
To this. And them are come with Alton, so.
Come on.
Me not go out there, who me I said, you know.
So you can stand up in front time, just more the front time. So I want the 200, snake man.
Some of them see now.
Where you name now?
Short man as well next time.
Big up.
So you tell me come out front time bus. And then when you come out front time, there you know. Snake man go to up on the road. So stand up. You not alone up on the road, so. You better not come so. Some of the cat people come. You come so too. Some of the cat people come. You understand?
Come this excited.
Yeah.
Come in.
You only for hands up if things start moving.
Ready?
Yeah, come ready now.
Come in. Come on.
Dog got me near.
Yo, what came out of the car? What came out of the car?
No man, Aki, you down there, man. You down there. Pull out some of your hand. Pull out some of your belt. Pull out the belt card. You can't go back in.
Nah, boss.
Back in, you.
No, that's the hand. Go back.
No.
Papa, give me that snap for your strap.
You know where we are? What is this? You're rich,
You can't go back in.
Good. I don't record ass. I'm tired to tell you no.
I'm showing you my name, my tag.
Actually, you know, say then here ass. Okay, every minute now, turn around.
People subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay? Richard Brown Flips. Right there, so. I said no.
Oh, we're not ready yet, man. Hold on. But dirty voice.
All right.
Yeah, I don't know if you tell somebody, brother. Bombard.
Artist. Yeah, alright, sir.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Like a
piece of freedom.
traumatized. Yeah, man, sing and free up yourself, my boss. Can we see it, you know, so you're stressed out?
Tired.
I charge up my boss. You can't get many more chargers.
I know a charger. Your phone battery dead. A problem.
You can't receive no call.
No, man.
Come. Yeah, okay, we're good to go. Good to go. Alright, ready.
They put up on the man bum buckle brain and now. Don't worry about you. He could have run left the fucking bus go down.
It's a good thing, so we record behind the scenes, you know, so your phone battery dead. Charge and mash up.
Alright, go in your van.
One of them.
Yeah, you want Dan and they have alternate hostage. Go on.
So me done apart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Sick in a character.
You don't want nobody else party Dan, you want Akim party.
Akim go down to party.
You want one more somebody, Akim go and go party Dan.
Alright, so I'm a part done. Left this out as well.
So me keep up.
Bye-bye.